Welcome guys. So today our tutorial topic is about structure. What is structure of the HTML pages? Okay, so first of all we should write the opening tag and then the tag type HTML. It simply tells to the browser that the following code will be HTML5 because we're going to learn the HTML5, so it tells to the browser that the following code will be HTML5, and then we can define the HTML. It is the root element of the HTML pages. Okay, and then we define the head, and the head section it have the meta information about the data. So what is the meaning of meta? Meta information means data about data. In my next tutorial I will clear this to you, that what is the meaning of meta information, and you will be also clear about this when you see all of my videos and tutorials. Okay guys, and then here we write the title. Okay, in this title section we can define the title for the page. For example, I'm going to write here the structure. Okay guys, let me overrun this on the Chrome and refresh. This is called structure. This is the title area for our page. And after head section we can define the body, open tag and close tag. Here in the area we can define all type of tags like h1 headings, tag, paragraph. You can define all elements inside the page, and this area is called the body area. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. Stay touch with us. Bye bye.